Welcome to PolyGon 2.0 tutorial series. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how to perform data processing in PolyGon using sparsing. I have opened the project with some pressure data already uploaded. PolyGon provides a number of useful tools to process pressure data. Let's make a copy of the test so we will have a backup, rename it, and start processing it. I will open the graph by clicking on the gauges and selecting P1. So let's begin filtering pressure data. Let's go to the Properties tab and find the filtering pane. Let's begin with wavelet filtering by toggling the radio button and pressing Calculate. The calc table will be created after calculations are complete. We can tweak the settings in the filtering window to smooth out the curve. Let's put 50 hours. When we are satisfied with the result, we can overwrite the raw table by pressing the Apply button. The calc table content will be moved to the row table. Let's make another copy of the original test and rename it. We can also transform the pressure data. Let's multiply it by 2. And then divide it by 2. We can modify the data points that will be used in calculations by selecting Set Workspace and drawing the desired area. We can shift the data by a certain value or time period. We can also sparse pressure data. For example, let's say we would like to skip every 10th point. We do it by setting a value and then pressing Calculate. If we wanted to skip a point every 24 hours, we will then have to switch the sparsing type to linear and set the value in the field next to it. Now, if you wanted more control over how the data is sparsed, you will have to use advanced setting found below. If we instead had to leave 10 points per cycle, we would switch to logarithmic sparsing. For example, let's say that we have to sparse with a 100-hour step. We see that the linear sparsing has removed a few important data points in the beginning. Let's fix this by ticking the option to skip a point only if the distance to the next point is greater than 10 psi. By doing so, we got back the important data point, which provides information on the pressure decline. Instead of pressing Apply, we should copy the pressure data from calc table and paste it to the raw table. This sums up the data processing in PolyGon. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next PolyGon tutorial series.